So you might be having an issue on TikTok, or for some reason your messages, aka your DMs on TikTok, are missing, or maybe that option's not showing, and you're trying to figure out what's going on. Now, to fix this, it's kind of a double-edged sword. I keep saying that, I don't know why I keep saying that. Essentially, what it is, you want to make sure your cell connections and your data connection and Wi-Fi and everything like that is properly set up. So if you're not having proper internet connection, or your internet's not working, or if it's flaky or whatever, you want to make sure that is not the case, because if it is, well, then that's probably going to be the reason why this is not working for you. Now, the next thing you want to do on top of that, for the most part, is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your inbox option of TikTok. So come into your little inbox option here. On the top right, you want to go and click on your little, direct message panel here, and you should be able to come here. Now here is where you can go and set up a direct message with somebody. Like if you want to go ahead and text somebody, well, you can always go here, and you want to make sure you just text that person like this. Go and text them, and you should be able to then see the message there. And or if you're getting the messages, they should be able to come down over here. Now, if you're for some reason want to cycle it down to just direct messages, you can always just click up here. Now, let's say you're still not able to see the messages here. Well, you want to make sure that person hasn't banned you either. So in this case, if we just make our way over here, and let's say I just search up somebody, let's just say I search up myself for this example. Well, another thing I can do is just go ahead and make sure that I've messaged the right person. Sometimes if I'm messaging the wrong person, and that can be another reason why that stuff might not be working. So just go ahead and click message, and then you can go ahead and start messaging whoever you want to. So in this case, if I want to say hi to myself, I can just go and say hi. I can go and get that, and then you can see it's not sent. It's usually because it says messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you. So you also want to make sure that is not the case. If the person is not following you and they have their privacy set up that way, well, then that's going to be the reason why that happens as well. So you may just want to make sure they're following you, and that can also help alleviate the problem as well. Now on top of that, let's say that still doesn't seem to be the issue. Well, the other thing I'd recommend doing there is pretty much just going through and updating TikTok. So what I would recommend doing here is going into your app store right here, finding the TikTok application. So you can search for it, or you can just click up here like this, and you want to make sure this application is up to date. If it is very, very outdated, that can be another issue and the main reason why this isn't working in the first place. So those are a few ways to fix this. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.